And what I'd like to talk to you today about is our TDR, our time domain reflectometry capabilities. So what we have is a very fast edge, a diode, which has the capability of rising within 60 picoseconds. And what we're doing is we're going to look at our edge through a track and characterize our PCB. So what we have is our device under test, which has been fed with our step diode into our mismatch line. Going up into our observations, what you can see here is our response, our characteristic impedance response of our device, our track. You will notice as I move the cursors, here we're at 50 ohms or thereabouts. As I progress through my track, you'll notice a change in step impedance, characteristic impedance, and as I go all the way through my track, you'll see there's some mismatch coming down. As we go through our track, you can see it's rising back up to 50 ohms. TDR gives us the capability of not only looking at our impedance, but we can look at our distance, where in the track are anomalies and differences in impedance. So here, for example, I can see I'm at 79.7 millimeters into my track where I have an issue with a step and change of characteristic impedance. Pico technology have TDR capability built into their 9000 series of oscilloscopes. Alternatively, you can buy an individual pulse generator that will connect and be operated through our 9000 range of sampling oscilloscopes from Pico technology.